Hi and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the 10 reasons not to do van life. So, let's dive right in. 1. Lack of privacy. You'll be living in a small space, so you might feel like you're always on display. 2. Limited storage. Van life means minimalism, and that's not for everyone. 3. Expensive upkeep. Maintaining a van can be costly, especially if you're not mechanically inclined. 4. Limited comfort. Van life can be uncomfortable, especially during extreme weather conditions. 5. Social isolation. You might miss out on social gatherings and events. 6. Unpredictable living conditions. You'll have to adapt to various living conditions, from parking lots to forests. 7. Limited personal space. You'll be sharing your living space with your partner or roommate. 8. Lack of stability. Van life can be unpredictable, and you might not have a consistent address. 9. Limited cooking options. You'll have to get creative with your cooking, and it might not always be convenient. 10. Potential for accidents. Living in a van can be dangerous, especially if you're not prepared for emergencies. And there you have it, folks. 10 reasons not to do van life. But remember, everyone's journey is different, and what works for some might not work for others. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, stay safe and happy travels.